Um, I am trying to get either a neon shadow, a neon giraffe, a mega parrot, a mega owl, or a mega crow. So this is my offer. Just trading with my alternate account to show it. Okay, so this is my offer. So I will give a mega kitsune, a mega T-Rex, a mega kangaroo, a fly ride full grown parrot, a fly ride frost fury, and 4 snow owls. If you want me to, I could add like, I don't know, I could add like any of these, like a few of these, like could add the ride dragon, unicorn, and a robo dog after if you want me to. So this is my whole offer. So please let me know down in the comments if you would do that trade. Thank you. Bye.